30 minutes just seems like a long time. Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to test out a product that I've never tried before. The Manic Panic Virgin Snow Amplified Toner. So keep watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Let's get started. We are 5 weeks into a 6-week stay-at-home order, so pretty much all the hair supply stores are closed. I went to Shoppers Drug Mart and I picked up some Manic Panic Amplified Toner, and I also grabbed some Developer because I thought I was out of Developer. So to bleach my hair, I'm going to use 30 volume Developer. They only had 40 and 20, but you can mix those together to make 30. Turns out I actually still have 30 volume Developer, so I'm just going to use this instead. But in the event that you can't find a 30 volume Developer, you can mix a 20 volume and a 40 volume together to make 30. So I'm going to be using the Ion Color Brilliance Bright White Cream Lightener. I'm going to use that to bleach my hair, and then once it's bleached, I'm going to use the toner and see how white it comes out. So I'm just going to mix that up. But you're going to need a few supplies for this. You're going to need a bowl and a brush. You're going to need some gloves. You're going to need a towel, because if you're bleaching your hair, you don't want the bleach to ruin your clothes. Yeah. All right, so let's get started. First, take off any clothes you don't want to ruin. Like that sweater. You're gonna want to put your towel around you. So I've got my hair dye towel. Something you can ruin. Put some gloves on. Okay, so the first step is to bleach my hair because my roots are obviously all grown in. So I'm just going to take my Ion Bright White Cream Lightener. I do have a couple of other videos about this product, which I really like, so I will link those up here and in the description down below. If you haven't seen those, make sure you check out this product. Fantastic bleach product. All right, so I'm just going to squirt this into the bowl. And my hair is getting long because we're on a stay-at-home order during so I can't go get my hair cut. So I'm gonna mix up quite a bit. So I just used like half the bowl of Developer. And then I'm gonna use half the bowl of bleach and then 30 volume Developer. Okay, then you're gonna take your brush and you're going to mix it up. Mixy, mixy. I really do prefer the cream lightener over the powder. It doesn't dry out as fast, it gives you a more even result, and it's less messy to mix because it's not dusty and powdery. If you ever mixed up bleach with powder, you'll know it's dusty and it smells bad. Alright, it's a little too thick, so I'm just going to add a little bit more Developer. When you're preparing to bleach your hair, make sure you don't wash it first because the natural oils from your scalp will protect your scalp from the chemicals. You want it to be runny enough that you can really saturate your hair so that it doesn't dry out. Did you guys watch Framing Britney? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought of that documentary. Okay, so I have most of my hair done, as you can see, and I'm just going over it a little bit more to make sure it's really saturated. I could see on the back it didn't look like there was enough, so I'm adding some there. As you can see, it's pretty saturated now, so I'm just going to wait 20 minutes, keep an eye on it. You can already see it starting to change color because my natural hair is pretty light, so it bleaches pretty quickly. So like I said, I'm gonna wait about 20 minutes and I'll wash this out and I'll be back to apply the toner. Okay, so this toner says, for best results, pre-lighten hair to a light blonde using Manic Panic Flash Lightning Bleach Kit. Well, I didn't get the Manic Panic Flash Lightning Bleach Kit, but I have used that in the past, and I do remember that it was really runny. And it was maybe a 30 or 40 volume Developer, which was quite strong on my hair. As you can see, this 30 volume is lifting my hair really quickly. Ready to use, do not mix with peroxide. Instructions: wear protective gloves to avoid staining, apply to clean, dry hair, saturate hair thoroughly, avoiding scalp. That's gonna be impossible for me. Cover hair in plastic cap and leave on for 30 minutes. Rinse in cool water until it runs clear, fades gradually with each shampoo. So I think that this is probably the same instructions for the whole line of colors, because how could you possibly not get a toner on your scalp? And it's gonna run clear, it's white. Is Manic Panic's great. Since 1977, they are cruelty-free and vegan, PBD and paraben-free, fragrance-free, aloe vera juices in it, and it's made in the USA. Alright, I have washed the bleach out of my hair. As you can see, it is pretty yellow. My roots are really white already, but it does have that sort of bleached yellow look to it. Now this toner says to apply to clean, dry hair. Okay, so I need to dry my hair a little bit more. Freshly bleached hair is hard to dry. It really holds onto the water because it doesn't have anything to fill the hair follicle. I hit myself in the eye with the towel. Time to apply Manic Panic Amplified Virgin Snow White Toner. Wear protective gloves. Apply to clean, dry hair. Saturate, avoiding scalp. I really don't know how I'm going to avoid my scalp, but that's okay. We're going to ignore that part. Okay, so I'm just using the gloves and my hands to try to saturate my hair and make sure I don't miss any spots using the comb. So the sides feel very saturated, especially that one. My hair is fully saturated in the Virgin Snow Manic Panic Amplified Toner. It says to leave this for 30 minutes. I'm a little concerned about that. I've never left a toner for 30 minutes. It's quite blue already, so it's going to counteract the yellow in my hair, and it should make it quite white. It does look like it's, I don't know, the right color. I'm just a little concerned about it not, I don't know, in 30 minutes, if my hair is blue, that's a long time. I don't know. 30 minutes just seems like a long time. All right, so I'm going to check it in 15 minutes and see where it's at, and then I'll be back. Okay, it has been 15 minutes. My hair is looking kind of blue, and that's okay. Often when you use a white toner, it does make your hair a little bit blue, but I'm not gonna leave this in for another 15 minutes. I'm going to go wash it out, and I'll be back to show you the results of the Virgin Snow White Toner. Okay, I washed out my hair, and this is the results I got from the toner. So as you can see, the roots are pretty yellow, and the ends are sort of gray-blue. And obviously where that happened is where my hair was already dyed, so it's been, you know, double processed, and so the hair follicle really grabbed the color there. But I'm a little disappointed in the color results for the rest of my hair. I thought that this toner would be a little more white. It's pretty yellow. Let me turn down the light, maybe you can see a little better. So it's not really that white. The ends are more blue and the roots are still kind of yellow. All right, well that's a little disappointing. Not quite as white as I was hoping. It does kind of look white on camera, but it's definitely got yellow and gray involved. Like there's two distinct colors in my hair. So I'm going to use the Supernova Brad Mondo's toning conditioner, which is nice and purple, and that will really give me an overall white tone to this. But as far as the Manic Panic Amplified Virgin Snow Toner, I don't think this is something that I would recommend or buy again. I mean, my hair is soft, it has no ammonia, so there is some benefit to that, but it didn't really give me the results I was looking for. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever used Manic Panic Amplified Virgin Snow White Toner, because I'm not really very impressed with it. I do like Manic Panic. I've used other Manic Panic products like the pink and blue I used to do my cotton candy hair video, which I will insert a link to up here. So I'm not sure what's up with this toner, not my favorite product. Thanks so much for watching this video using the Manic Panic Amplified Virgin Snow White Toner. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description down below. And I'll see you for another video next time. Bye! Alright. Okay. That's okay, we're going to ignore that part. That's going to be impossible for me. Something in my eye. I hit myself in the eye with the towel.